Hello everybody and welcome back to VLADA'S place. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly make chicken schnitzel. This is just a quick outline on how simple this recipe is. Chicken schnitzel. It's so easy to make, and sometimes I wonder why don't we make it more often, because it's an absolute kid's favorite. So anyway, to start you just need a chicken breast, and as you saw I cut off all the pieces of fat, so you just want to have the bare meat just like this. And since today's chicken's breast comes very tender, because these chickens don't run outside, I tend not to tenderize the meat. Normally, when I was growing up on the farm, these little cutlets needed to be pounded to get them nice and tender, but this meat is already soft enough. The only thing I would suggest, maybe peeling this membrane on outside if you wish, but if you're a busy mom like I am, I'm not gonna even bother with that. All I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make sure that I cut these cutlets very nice and thin. Once you're done with that, we're gonna focus on seasoning the cutlets. I normally pre-mix my own blend consisting of sea salt, black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and I like to use a little bit of lemon as well. Another great suggestion would be to add a little bit of dry parsley flakes. Season them well on both sides and set them aside. Once done with cutting and seasoning, we're gonna roll them in a flour. I have invited a bunch of friends and family over for dinner, so we are making few extra. And since you are already messing up your whole kitchen, I would suggest that you too make some extra and set part of it aside, because you don't have to cook them all at once. You can cook some today and you can cook some later, maybe a day or two later. So if you're making mess, you might as well make some extra. All that's left to do is to dip them in an egg mixture, which by the way, you should put a little salt and pepper in, and then wrap them up in a breadcrumbs. Italian breadcrumbs work great. And then all that's left is frying, and you want to fry them on a hot oil. Start them hot to seal the schnitzel, and then reduce it on a medium, and you should end up with these golden patties, which are juicy inside and crispy on the outside. Schnitzels are not the only item on the menu tonight. This is our dessert. We're also baking a fresh home-baked bread. This is a particular lemon bread, and I'm gonna make a homemade chicken dumpling soup. If you're following my channel, you know that I'm trying to preserve these old recipes while I'm promoting more quality family time at the dining table. I'm a core believer that by cooking and dining together, we reinforce our family structure, and we also provide a great environment for our kids to grow healthy, both emotionally and physically. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe, and I'll see you soon.